YouTube? It's your girl Sunshine, and today I wanted to do this video and get it out the way and give everybody an update regarding the scam update with my Freightliner Classic XL. But this video is going to be short and to the point because I have been working on our land all day mowing and random miscellaneous stuff. So I'm dirty and I need to take a shower. But just to give you guys an update, first I would like to say that we settled the situation out of court. Well, I settled the situation out of court, decided to settle the situation. And that is, I found out who the lien holder was, and I let them know and provided them proof with everything that I had. And we basically negotiated an agreement, and he was aware of it because I pretty much told him everything that I knew and what I was going to do with all of the paperwork that I had and what I was planning on doing. So with that being said, he got caught up in his lie, and he was lying about everything, and it was in his name and everything. So he ended up having to go up there to the lien holder and sign off and put where I didn't get it clear. I'm gonna have to pay more money in, but they agreed that I can pay it monthly, but at the end of the payments with what we negotiated, it's definitely less than what I paid him. But at the end of the payments, I'm going to get the title. So everything is now in our name. It's in our business name, and it has on the account with the lien holder that once we make our final payment, which we can pay ahead of time, which we do plan on doing that, the title will be sent straight to us, and I don't ever have to deal with this man. And I even sent the message saying to him, saying, just thank you for going up there and signing off on a document to transfer everything over to me. And honestly, it isn't like he really had a choice, because it was clearly that he got caught up in his situation and he didn't want to go through what we were going to take him through. So first, I would like to say thank you. I feel like I got justice because I didn't lose my investment. I'm able to continue on with the project and carry on with the Freightliner project. So I can't say I'm excited about it right now because the whole situation has killed my joy, but I'm sure you guys know when I get back into the project, my happiness and everything will return. And honestly, the whole news and everything of us closing on our land has allowed me to stay in good spirits. And I'm just overall happy that I didn't lose my investment. So I gotta pay a little bit more, but you guys still get to see me do the Freightliner Classic XL project. And now all of this miscellaneous stuff that's coming in the mail that I ordered for this truck can go on the truck, and one day you guys will see that truck on the road. But before I end this video, I have to say thank you to 3 people. This is a stranger. Her name is Mona. She's in Mississippi. I would not have been able to get anything that I've gotten. I would not have been able to get justice if it wasn't for her. So I say thank you so much. You are like an angel sent from heaven, and I appreciate everything that you have done to help me. And I also have to say thank you to my Cali Connects. I always tell you guys, my Cali Connects, David Robinson, Ghost of Steel Hovgen, and your boy SoCal, okay? Your boy SoCal. I forgot, SoCal, don't beat me up because I forgot what your business name is or whatever, but Blevins Enterprise Transport, this guy got a lot of stuff going on, so I can't remember, but your boy SoCal, these two, my Cali friends, they always, I mean, when I got through with that video, they call every time. If I need some help or need some assistance, these two are like racing to try and help us. And even though they didn't really get to that point, because thanks to the lady that I mentioned, she helped me so much, but it's not about what you did, it's about the effort that you two made to even try and help us. That's what counts and matters the most to me. So thank you. If you guys want some good friends, trucking friends, go check out Still Hogging page in SoCal, because these two guys, Cali always comes through. So thank you, and I will finish my arrangements and I will get the title to my truck. I am so confident and happy that I'm doing business directly with the lien holders, and let my situation be a learning lesson for you guys. If you're gonna purchase a truck, if you're gonna purchase a vehicle, you do your due diligence, do a lien check, do everything, or else you will end up in my situation, buying on impulse and buying on emotion, and you may end up in a possible scam. So don't get scammed. Stay alert. Stay keep your guard up, because you never know who or what people are going to use to try and scam you. And let me tell you guys something. We have received so many blessings since this whole situation happened. We took our trailer to, you guys know we were dealing with trailer problems, our reefer, and we took our trailer to the utility in Arkansas. They kept it for a day, and do you know they called us and told us it was ready, and when we went in there they said no charge. It's almost as if they knew we were going through this, and God's like, I'm gonna show you the blessings. You guys are going to get this land for a good deal, a great deal, an awesome deal. You guys are going to get free services. People are gonna do stuff for you guys. I mean, over these past few hours, just the weekend alone, people have been saying no charge. So I feel like I've been blessed, and we've been blessed, and I can see, I'm so grateful that I reacted to this situation in a more legal manner, and I went and prayed about it, because it just shows me how, how God handles. He will handle things for you, and he will go above the law and make sure you get open doors, because let me tell you, this was not easy. The information that I've gotten and getting to the lien holder, it was not easy at all. And I didn't pay a dime. I did not pay a dime. And I had everybody, even the freaking prosecutor of Grenada, they were backing me. So trust me, God showed up and he showed out. And even knowing that, I just told that guy, I said, I'm gonna let this be a life lesson for me, and I'm just gonna let it go, and I gotta pay a little bit more, and thank you for signing the document to get it transferred over, and you have a blessed life. I'm not gonna, he's already old enough as it is. So since I've been receiving so many blessings, and he kind of knows, it's clear he was caught up in all of his stuff, his lies and everything. That's something that he has to live with, and I'll let God deal with him. So I didn't do, this is how it all turned out. And now I can get back to my project. Now I feel like I got too many projects and I need to figure out which one I'm going to work on at once. But hey, that's what I like. That's what we like to do. But thank you for everybody that even called and tried to help us. And thank you so much to everybody that has been messaging us, emailing us about our property and congratulating us. We've gotten over 1,000 comments and likes and views, and everybody's just showing so much love, giving us so many ideas. I wish you guys could come and help us clean up the property, but I feel like your kind words and just everything, the messages, I read every single comment. There was like 360 something comments on that video. I read all of the messages and I receive all of the encouraging words. I love you guys like so much. You guys have been a great support. But let's get back to the Freightliner Classic XL video. Stay tuned, you guys, because we're about to get started on them floors. Okay, so I'm tired. I know y'all can see I'm tired. I have not been getting no sleep, nothing, but it's about to get done because I am running off of just life, a happy energy off of just life and everything that's going on for us right now. So stay tuned, you guys. That's all, folks. Peace, love, and deuces.